Ganahin ka mukha na ni?
Ay, ni okay na.
Share ta?
Ni okay na, di ko.
Sige na, share ta.
Ay, sige.
Hey, you want a cracker?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks.
Okay. Hey, we should take a picture. It looks super nice.
Hey, excuse me. Can you take a picture of us?
Yeah, smile. Okay, ready? Can you just take like one more? Yeah. One more. Hey, let's point over there. Or, yeah, point away. Did you get it? Did you get it? All right, thanks.
Uy, nindot kayo ang background ba? Picture ta.
Picture ta. Wait, excuse me. Picture me, please. Sige na.
Okay, picture.
Okay, one more. Wait, one more pa. Sige na. Sige na. Ali. One more pa. Sige na. Ali. Wait, one more. Wait, wait, akong cellphone!
Signs you grew up in the Philippines, Part 2. Ay, wait. I think naapa ko'y kanon. Ay, kuwang jud na. Hoy, smile, baby. Easy. Ayo. Uy, kaon na, pe. Ay, lamig no. Ay, kanon cute. Kaon to jud. Ayo. Hoy, guwapo. Ay, guwapo. Ay, so guwapo ka. Ayo ako, baby. Ayo. Bahay ko po kahit munti. Ayo. Signs you grew up in the Philippines, Part 3. Oh. Hey, babe! Before you come to the living room, can you close the light, please?
What?
Ay, pambira. I mean, can you turn off the light?
Hoy! Ay, sorry. Siya akong bitawagan. Kailangan ba ni?
Signs you grew up in the Philippines.
Part 4.
Ah, such a nice day.
Nope!